November 4th, 2008. A Learjet 45 is cruising over central Mexico.
Victor Mike Charlie, radar contact, descend to 200.
200, Mike Charlie.
Alvaro Sanchez and Martin Oliva are at the controls. Both pilots are captains. But tonight, Captain Oliva is flying the plane.
I'll start setting 250, Alvaro. Okay?
Sounds right to me.
The flight is a special government charter.
We must be getting close.
The country's interior minister and his entourage are flying to Mexico City. The politicians are on their way back to the capital after a day of talks aimed at combating the nation's skyrocketing rate of violent crime. The Mexican government has chartered a Learjet 45 for the flight. It's a high-performance aircraft that's also economical to fly.
Victor Mike Charlie, descend to 15,000 feet. Altimeter 3024.
15,000 with 3024, Mike Charlie. 1,000 feet until we level off.
Thanks, Alvaro.
As the Learjet nears the outskirts of Mexico City, the pilots prepare to land.
Landing lights. Check.
Victor Mike Charlie, reduce your speed to 180 knots.
Reducing speed to 180, Mike Charlie.
The air traffic controller asks the Learjet crew to slow down to maintain their position in the lineup of planes.
Should I bug the nose up?
No, leave it. Leave it for now.
Tonight, Alvaro Sanchez is serving as something of a mentor.
But we're about to level off, right?
Yes.
He's more experienced in the Learjet than Captain Oliva.
There, speed stabilized.
Okay.
This is one of the busiest and most critical stages of any flight.
Flap down.
Sanchez extends the flap so he can further reduce their speed.
Give me 8,800, please.
8,800.
Below them, Mexico City is a sprawling metropolis of 20 million people, with some of the worst traffic in the world. A sea of cars fills the downtown district. Without warning, the Learjet goes into a steep dive and plummets toward the ground.
What do we do?
Give it to me! Give it to me!
The first officer calls for control of the plane.
It's yours, Alvaro!
He hauls his control column back, trying to pull the plane out of the dive.